Hey there, small business owners. Ever dreamt of turning your website into a fully functional Android app without spending a fortune or hours coding? Say hello to App in Minutes. In today's digital age, having a mobile app is crucial to effectively reach your audience. And guess what? With App in Minutes, you can create a professional Android app for your website in just 3 simple steps. No coding experience required. Why App in Minutes, you ask? It's quick, it's easy, and it's super affordable. Create your app in under 5 minutes. Test with a demo APK for just 9 rupees and get the full app for only 499 rupees. Plus, you can preview how your app will look before making the final payment. Ready to get started? Here's how. Step 1. Log in via Google. Just log in with your Google account for a secure and hassle-free experience. Step 2. Provide your website details. Enter your website URL, choose a name for your app, and upload your app icon. These details will form the foundation of your custom Android app. Step 3. Preview and payment. Click the preview button to see how your app will look. If you're satisfied, choose between 2 options. A demo APK for 9 rupees, perfect for testing, or the full APK and App Bundle for 499 rupees, ready for Play Store submission. Not sure if your app will meet expectations? With the demo APK, you can test how the app performs before proceeding with the full purchase. For just 9 rupees, this risk-free option ensures you're making the right choice, and the affordability doesn't stop there. For just 499 rupees, you'll get a fully functional APK and an app bundle ready for Play Store submission. It's perfect for everyone from individual bloggers to small business owners. So what are you waiting for? Download App in Minutes now and start turning your website into an Android app today. Creating an Android app for your website has never been easier, faster, or more affordable. App link is in description. Start today and watch your website reach new heights on mobile platforms.